Hi guys, welcome back to the channel this week. It's a lovely fine days after breaking out here. Don't mind the dirt to me now. I'm just chopping some sticks, and you'll see that next week. But this week now we're still on about the plough match. I know now last week was probably two weeks ago now was the plough match, but as I only have a video out once a week, so this is going to be the second part of the video. Not much about machinery this week now. It's going to be all animals, and actually going to focus on the Aberdeen Angus stand that was there this year. I shouldn't say stand, Aberdeen Angus tent that was there. So they were shown. I didn't get to the bulls in the morning now, but what they were doing when myself and Anya got there, they were showing the cows and calves. So I'm going to put all that clip in. Not sure whether people will like it or not, but look, I'll throw it in anyways. So it just goes to show the work that they do to get the animals in the condition that they are, the time and effort to have them halter trained, and especially young animals. I know a lot of the mothers of the calves, they'd be probably around the circuit a couple of times, so they'd be well used to being halter trained and all. But yeah, it just takes some effort by all the men and ladies and the boys and girls that you see to get the cattle right for the show. No, it was actually a credit to them all, the work that they put in for it. You'll see one little chap there, and he was going around with a young animal there, but sure, the animal was nearly the size of himself, but a right little chap he was. But the winners themselves now, not too sure. You'll probably hear it on the footage of who it was. And sure, look, they had a lovely cow and calf. And what I didn't record is the winners of this one actually wins the overall. So I only got down to it when after announcing it. I didn't get to see the overall show in the ring and all. So, but the winners of this one are the overall champions of the whole plough match there. So yeah, lovely animals, so they are. So look, I'll let you get away it, and look, we'll be back to normal next week, and I'll show you me cutting a few sticks or something like that. Right, go on. Lovely, I'll be there.
This is probably the place to do it actually. Everybody's first night. Just go up. I can go up here. Oh, that's good. Do it quickly, Heather.
Oh, the one that you want me to work on.
She's nice.
I didn't think,
No, well, I don't know. What about the tail, is it?
they need him though to...
You grab the box of brushes, Carl. It's easier to do them out here than this side.
Yeah. We're basically out of the way, I suppose.
Yeah, I know.
We might be in the way. The size of the hump.
This is where they're walking on that.
Huh?
This is where they're going to be walking around.
I wonder, maybe, alright, yeah.
It is.
What time is it on there now?
Huh?
What time is it on there?
Yeah. Because they're only getting them ready now.
Yeah. I'm out of here. What for that? Look at you there.
Why you're good, isn't he?
Yeah.
All the spray we're breathing in.
Yeah. Oh, that by the way.
Oh my god.
Big daddy. In for a wash, is it?
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, probably a quiet girl, huh?
go right there now.
Find out, isn't she?
Yeah.
He is lovely.
Yeah. Been all over there, were we? I don't think so. Yeah,
See, that's the proper posture that they actually have.
huh?
That's like their posture. They have to stand like that.
This is up here, one of them. Look at him.
What's the size of them?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
That'd be meaner that.
Wrong side of red now, are we?
Probably.
So the calf is bigger than him. Is
Don't
it?
do that.
Oh, yeah. So you need that, bro.
Oh, she's gonna be hard now.
Oh, she's a big cow, isn't
That's gonna be quite hard to handle. Oh, so basically a mother and a child
Yeah.
now. Yeah.
Because I missed the car.
A lot of pressure.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the second part of the All Ireland Angus Championships. And we start, as you can see, with the senior females. An excellent show of females we have here in the ring, and we're still probably hanging on for a few more to arrive yet. Those of you that weren't here earlier on, our judge, Ewan Campbell, has made it all the way from Fort William in Scotland to be here, just at the foot of Ben Nevis. And Ewan had a great job sorting out the males this morning, and he thought his work was done until his eyes lit up when he saw this class of cows coming into the ring. So what a tremendous class of Angus cows we have here in front of you today. These cows, the stipulation is they need to be born before the 1st of August 2022. We went through this morning, but for those of you spectators that weren't here this morning, you'll see that the Angus breed is not just black. There are variations of the Angus breed that are red, and a few of those have been bred over the years, especially for the export market, particularly for the export market. The red Angus seems to thrive quite a lot in the hotter countries of Portugal and in Southern Europe and South America also. So we've got some red Angus in this ring as well as the black one. Angus breed, of course, the Aberdeen Angus breed, developed in the counties of Aberdeen and Angus there in Scotland back in the 1850s or the 1840s. They go back to. The herd book was eventually formed in 1872, so they go back a long way. The animals, of course, naturally polled the Angus, which means they have no horns, for those that are not aware of what I mean. And it's very welcome to see the Angus here being represented as the cattle of Ireland just now, and they are the #1 breed in Ireland, but for them to have their All-Ireland championship here at the National Ploughing Championships is a very special event for the Angus, and it's great to see such a fantastic spectacle that they've been paraded in front of us, and they're very thankful. They're each very thankful to each other for bringing the cattle to the public here, and as well for the Angus breed to be able to hold their event here at this prestigious Ploughing Championship and Ireland's premier event, and probably one of the biggest events in agriculture in Europe. I've personally been involved in the Angus breed for most of my life as well in one way or other, and I think you have to go a long way to see a better class of cows than they are on this ring today. An excellent class of cows, everyone a winner. Of course, a lot of these animals will have been exhibited at shows far and wide throughout Ireland before they found their way here. But this is the one they all want to win. This class, and of course behind me there's this fantastic trophy, which is the All-Ireland Angus Trophy. Been awarded every year since 1904, so 120 years of history of this great big piece of silverware here, and it's the one that everybody wants to come forward and win.
It's careful when you look what you want. It's careful when you look what you want. Don't want to stop at all.
All these animals are in the catalogue there. Those of you that are interested, there are catalogues over here by the commentary box, and on the side of the trophy there, please come and get one. And you can get to see the breeding, of course, of all these animals. And those of you that are interested in getting into Angus cattle, there is the Angus extravaganza that's being held in Turles Mart on the 4th of October, and there'll be animals there competing, males and females, that are not only competing for the show there, but will be on sale. And there's animals on sale to suit all budgets there as well. Some excellent animals will all be photographed, and the catalogue will be out so you can see what you're going to buy beforehand as well, and of course that'll be an online sale as well. So anybody interested in getting into the Angus breed there, please pick up a catalogue and maybe look that one out as well.
Catalogues on IrishAberdeenAngus.markby.ie already. IrishAberdeenAngus.markby.ie. It's already up online.
The catalogue, Shane's telling me, and Shane's been out doing all the photographs there, that the catalogue is already out there on IrishAberdeenAngus.ie, no, .marti.ie, so look that up on your phone so you can download that great catalogue. Seeing our judge now start to bring out his prize winners as he sees them. I'll line these up side by side and then go back and take another look at them afterwards. after all, this is the premier event of the Angus breed here in Ireland. It isn't just about the winning too, it's about getting these animals out, getting them seen, getting the breed recognised by the general public, by other farmers. Angus breed has worked its way back up to #1 in the beef breed here in Ireland. And all these animals, as I said, winners in their own right. And all I do now is showcasing what each breeder has to offer and what the breed collectively has to offer. So our judge now has lined him up now. He's going, building the tension a little bit. He's going to walk down the front and have a look and then back down the back. And he sees the business end from both ends, of course. From behind, he's looking for carcass, he's looking for width, he's looking for beef conformation. These are beef animals, of course, Angus being the most elite beef product in the world. And then down the front end as well, of course, this lovely kind head that the Angus has and those lovely fluffy ears that the Angus breed with its polled head is renowned for. And that character is something that the breed highly cherishes, and something when you look into a field, the head is the first thing that you see. It might not be the bit that you eat, but it's the thing that you see, and a thing of beauty too. So he'll be judging these animals from both ends, and of course, as I said, he'll be judging the quality of the cow, and also the quality of the calf will come into play in his mind as well.
I know, yeah. Really tough.
The judge is having a little bit of a think here. I think he's wanting to walk these two animals so he can see them moving again. Or maybe watch and come towards him. Like he's walking the first three animals around for a second look. Because he wants to see them judged on the move as well as standing still. Of course, an animal has to walk. Has to be able to operate, has to be able to walk rough terrain sometimes, needs a good set of legs underneath it, highly important. And then as a consequence of that, now he has, at this moment in time, has switched his #1 and #2 around. There we go, there's the final nod. It goes to number 45 from Bernard Kerins. Well done, Bernard. They're out there in the ring working away, and that's with Kerins Ryakimi. Is that how I pronounce that? Ryakimi. Anyway, she's a October-born 2018 calf, cow rather, and she's by a lot more Fion than out of Kerins Kimi. So congratulations to Bernard Kerins.